It's been a day of high drama in this court. A case that has been going on for nearly 13 years has finally come to an end. The verdict is out. Mr. Salman Khan has been found guilty by a judge, charges that he had denied. Now, when the sentence was announced by the judge, Salman Khan was visibly upset. Even his family and friends who were inside the court were quite disappointed because they had expected the punishment to be less severe. Now, he will appeal in higher courts and it's expected that he will get bail. But still, it's a big blow for a man who has starred in more than 80 Hindi films. Over here in India, he's considered Bollywood's equivalent of Tom Cruise or Brad Pitt. It all emanates from a night in September 2002 when Mr. Khan's car slipped off the road just a few hundred meters away from his home in a Mumbai suburb. In that crash, one person was killed and 4 others were injured. Now, this case has dragged on for a while, partly because of the arguments regarding the facts of the case. Mr. Khan's driver came forward and said that it was him who was behind the wheel, but many witnesses in the case said that it was Salman Khan himself who was driving the car. He was returning home after a party. And today, a judge agreed with that argument and said that is indeed what happened that night. It's news that's shocked people across the country. Salman Khan has tens of millions of fans in India. Any movie starring Salman Khan is pretty much guaranteed to be a hit. And for all those fans, the big question is, will they see their hero back on the big screen anytime soon? Sameer Hashmi, BBC News, Mumbai.